What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look for the Jade Mortal Kombat costume. So yeah, watch it.
Hold me close till I get up.
Alright, so I'm starting off with my BB cream, or this is actually BB tinted primer from Tarte. And now I'm applying the actual BB cream from Tarte.
All we'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
And then I'm just gonna blend that out. And now I'm putting on concealer under my eyes, and this is also concealer from Tarte. So obviously I love Tarte product. Okay, I don't even know what got recorded and what didn't get recorded. But basically, what I did, browse my face. No, I put my BB cream on and browse my face. So I contour it and then I start baking it like this. And I was saying that filming the freaking tutorial for this costume was such a pain in the ass because my whole setup was just like not it. My fucking lens was so heavy, and I added a light on top of my camera. It was even heavier. My tripod ended up breaking, and then I had to like kind of like do it in this really ghetto way. And I had to like use rubber bands and stuff just to hold it, and then it didn't even end up working. So then the way I had to film was just so stupid and uncomfortable to like sit on the floor. And then I'm like sitting here thinking to myself like, oh my god, I don't even know why I am putting so much effort into fucking filming this shit, because I feel like nobody's gonna even watch it really. But then I was like, I mean, my costume's like it turned out pretty good, so I was like, like it could be useful to somebody. And that's why, because, you know, I know I'm not the only one who ain't trying to fucking be out here buying no $60 up costume that you're gonna wear for one day. I just don't believe in that. I didn't even fucking buy a real prom dress or anything. Literally made that too, and first junior year was okay, but then senior year it looked like ass, but whatever. Barely spent any money on it. Yeah, and so that's why I just decided to put myself through the hassle anyways and film shit. I am using a lighter brown color, and I'm just gonna start up here. Anyways, yeah, then I started editing the video, and it just like looked like shit. The lighting was so terrible. It was so like grainy, and the quality was terrible. I had to like zoom in a lot so that I didn't have the tripod in the shot. It's like so ugly. You guys probably will think the same thing when you see it. If you see it, I was really not trying to like do it for like filmmaking purposes. Like, oh, I wanted it to look very cinematic and this and that. Like, oh, it was just a straight up tutorial. I just wanted you guys to be able to see how I did it, because I thought it was gonna be dope, and it turned out pretty dope. So yeah, it's the whole thing. I'm about to make another Mortal Kombat costume, but I'm honestly not gonna film that because I didn't have the time to edit all these videos in time before Halloween. Like, this probably would have been even better if I had it out sooner. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking a green from this Morphe palette, and now I'm gonna take this like navy blue color, put it on the outer corners. I don't know, like even this one, this video I'm like trying to a little harder to have better lighting, so I have like a little lighting around me, but it's still gonna be like a basic ass tutorial. Alright, I'm gonna use this green color from this palette. And I'm patting on my brush with Fix Plus.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
I have like this greenish color. It's from Book Some.
Echoing around these walls,
that same green color under my eyes as well.
We'll go through the
And now I am blending it out with that same brown color that I first used on my eyelids. And then just going in and blending it out with that brown again. Wetting my brush with Fix Plus. I'm going in with a gold color, and I'm only putting that on the center of my eyelids to make it look kind of like a halo effect. And then I am lining my eyes. I'm just using the Liquid Last liner from MAC.
we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Okay, now I'm just using a blush brush to wipe off all of that baking powder off my face. There's nothing on my brush, by the way. And then I'm going in and bronzing my face again. I've used a Tarte bronzer, by the way. And then I'm just contouring my nose with that same bronzer. Wetting my brush with Fix Plus again. I'm going in with that same gold color that I put on my eyelids. I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks, my cupid's bow, and then with a pencil brush, I'm going in on my inner corners of my eyes and also the tip of my nose. Oh, and my eyebrows.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
Now I'm just going to be curling my lashes so that I can get them ready for my LCs. These ones I got in Santee Alley. They're just really dramatic lashes. I don't wear them often, but why not for this one? Usually when I put on my lashes while I'm waiting for the glue to dry, I'll start doing other things on my face, so I put on my lipstick while I'm waiting for my second lash to dry. And now I'm just going in with a black eyeshadow and just going over that lash glue to blend it. I'm not making it look ratchet, you know what I'm saying? We're done.